Hello and welcome back to Rock Your Auto. Today I will be showing you this 2019 Toyota Tacoma Access cab 2-wheel drive with a 6-foot bed. Let's go ahead and check out the inside and the features it has. On the instrumental panel, you'll see that this Tacoma has 56,000 miles. Over to the right is your center screen and stereo controls. With your stereo, you have regular FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth audio, a CD player, and aux. Easy to adjust tune and volume from the controls. And the audio is where you can hook up a USB, aux, and connect your Bluetooth. With your phone connected, you can use Bluetooth as well as hands-free calling. And of course, when in reverse, you do have a backup camera. Underneath the screen, you have your climate controls as well as your hazard lights. With your climate controls, it is very easy to use. AC pulls out very cold air and heat pulls out very warm air. Underneath that, you have your heated mirrors. Then you have your electronically controlled transmission power, as well as some more charging ports. Then under that, you have some storage as well as some cup holders. In the center console, you of course have your gear shift, another cup holder, some storage, and your parking brake. In your center console, you have some charging ports as well as some more storage. Up on the steering wheel, you have your menu options for your instrumental panel as well as your lane keep and pre-collision alerts. Behind the wheel a bit, you have your cruise control settings. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your volume button for stereos as well as seek or control for your stereo, as well as your hands-free calling and voice commands. Then, next to your steering wheel, you have your auto high beams. For this, you'll have your high beams on and it'll automatically turn them on when you're in a dark area. Then on your door panel, you of course have your window controls as well as door locks and mirror controls. The interior of this Tacoma is a gray cloth material that is super comfortable to sit in, as well as you have rubber mats for an easy clean. And then if you go ahead and go behind the door, you have a handle to go ahead and open up the side door, or also called a suicide door. Back here you have lots of room and storage for things, as well as another 2 cup holders. Then we can go ahead and shut the doors, and we can check out the bed of the truck. Back here you have lots of cargo space with a 6-foot cargo bed. But with that is all I have for this 2019 Toyota Tacoma Access cab 2-wheel drive 6-foot bed in white. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. Thanks so much for watching,